Why should you use BlueDriver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBD2 scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. BlueDriver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes. BlueDriver is simple to use. Just purchase the BlueDriver sensor, download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use BlueDriver to turn the check engine light off. With BlueDriver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. BlueDriver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan tool professionals trust most. Get BlueDriver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle.